Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can unlock the Stinger in a Township tale, so let's get right into it. Now, what the Stinger is, it is basically an invisible skill, at least as of now. It is a skill where you point your sword pretty much upwards, and you can thrust it forward so that you dash along with it and pretty much damage whatever is in your way. It is currently invisible, meaning you cannot unlock it through a skill tree. However, it should be available through the warrior skill tree in the future. However, for now, you do need to unlock it through the use of console commands. What you want to do is go to the skills shrine. Here you'll unlock all your skills, and you need to be at this shrine for this to work. Then what you want to do is log into your dash.townshiptale.com account, or rather your ATT account at dash.townshiptale.com. This will give you access to the developer console for your server, or the server console. Once you're here, you need to go and click on your server list to the left of your screen, then click on your server and select your server. Once you're here, you need to add the command console or command line module so that you can enter these commands. Once you're here, the first thing you want to do is type player space progression space show skills, everything together, space, and then your name which you are playing with. Once you enter this, you just want to type player progression by skill 1 false. Once you enter this, the skill shrine should show you a blank skill, and once you pick it up, you should gain access to the Stinger skill. To perform it, you just want to pretty much raise your sword up, point it forward towards you or towards what you're facing, and it should turn blue. Once it turns blue, just thrust it forward with your hand, and you should dash with your sword, damaging everything that is in your way. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.